Alright, here's an assessment of the parts. Look what I found. They threw in some huge honking frame sliders in there. That bolt is so long, I don't even know where to start on that thing. Anyways, plastics. So I started assembling this part. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait. It's gonna take some time taking the old ones off, using the same hardware, mimicking the heat shield, and putting it together. Alright guys, so I'm about a third done. The tail is on. Looks really nice and clean. The color is a little bit different. It's a little bit more of a darker blue, but that's okay. We got the tank cowl on there. The seat cowl, had to swap out the stuff. I knew I could remove this easily enough, and then you remove the seat, all that comes out. Swap out all the hardware. The lights, when that adjusted, and came out very clean. Some issues with fitment and alignment on some of the holes, but everything else is done very well. I know there's complaints about hole fitment on the these aftermarket fairings, but they weren't too bad. Side fairings and the whole front is going to be next up. Alright guys, well, I got side fairings off. See the new tank holder? Well, let's see. Got that off. The thing with the Suzuki side mirrors is that the bolts in them don't hold up very well, and you get a little bit of, let's see if you can see. See how one bolt is still in? The other bolt got stripped out of its own post. So, post hole. So, got an issue there. Gotta go fix that. Maybe I'll just screw straight from underneath up in there rather than having a nut. I'll just get the same size screw and go straight up into there. I think that's what it is. So I guess the nuts were too strong for the retention. Anyways, that was one issue. Now I'm running into the two-man job that's disassembling this headlight. The harness is there. I don't know how to disconnect that guy. Never seen that one before. It's a weird, odd thing. So I just started transferring over and assembling the side pieces. I got one stripped out bolt screw hole right there. So I went and screwed it out, put it back in, cleaned out the hole, threw some epoxy in there, and then screwed it in, and hopefully it'll set and retain that piece there. Everything else, I had to do a little bit of shaving here so that it'll stay, and the fit is a little bit better. It has to wedge in there, right in there, so I had to shave that down so it fits in a little bit tighter. All the screws, I took off the old fairings and put them in. I peeled those off of the old fairings. I think I'll go and take the heat shield that it came with in the box and put it right alongside here with the exhaust is. And here's that side of the bike. So I just need to disassemble that piece and throw it on. Right now I'm just transferring the rubber washers from the windscreen to the new one, and it's almost done.